Hey guys, it's me again, and it's time to draw for the winner of our small giveaway to win this fancy Hero Arts die. And this is a Christmas die, so it's an ornament with the snowflakes in it from the Added Touch haul that I had done, or I had made last week. So let me look at the number of, we didn't have a lot of people who signed up for this giveaway, but that's okay. I had a total of 10 comments, and one of the comments, of course, is mine. So I'm gonna write down the people's name here. So the first, the one on the top is Denise, and then we're going to fold this. I use some, some scratch paper here. And then next person who commented is, oh my gosh, I'm using my phone and I cannot see it, it's too small. Cowgirl, okay, a Cowgirl Riley 18. And then the next one is Mandy Thompson, and these are the ones that I'm seeing here. So in the comment section of the video, all that you guys had to say was subscribed. Very easy. AJCA. I hope I got everybody. I'm gonna get everybody's name. There should be 9. Brenda. Oh my gosh. You know, it sucks to be old. Brenda H. I'm sorry, Brenda, I cannot read your last name. If you win, I'm gonna let you know. The next one is Madeline Cruz. Linda Miller. The next one is Andy Andrea, I think. I'm using my phone, and my phone the font is so small and I cannot see. Sucks to be old, you guys. And I'm too vain to wear glasses. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I only had 8 people who... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I guess I only have 8 people. I counted it twice. So, oops, somebody's name is jumping. So, are you ready, guys? Because I am ready to give away this die. And our winner is AJ. AJ, if you are watching, please email me at myscrappiness@yahoo.com and send me your address so I can send this Hero Arts die to you. AJ, congratulations. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. I hope to do this at least, monthly, hopefully. Not gonna be a big one, something like small like this every month. Just because, you guys, just because. I appreciate you for subscribing to my channel, My Scrappiness. That's it, guys. Thank you for entering, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.